Miro versus Notion. Wow, what a clash. Today we are going to go ahead and see what both of them have to offer. We are going to explore one or two of their drawbacks and see which one you should actually be using. So let's dive in. Alright, so let's jump straight into Miro now. Miro is a visual collaboration reimagined app. This is amazing. So Miro is a digital whiteboard platform designed for global teams. It was founded in 2011 and now it's used by millions worldwide. It's also transforming remote collaboration across various industries. Let's have a look now at their infinite canvas. Now, if you've ever used Miro and you scroll out, you zoom out, it's literally got an infinite canvas. Okay, so it provides an unlimited digital workspace for capturing ideas. It supports complex project visualizations with ease, and the drag and drop interface ensures seamless content creation. It really is awesome. It has real-time collaboration as well for global teamwork. If you are working in a remote team, it really is fantastic. It offers instant engagement. It facilitates real-time collaboration across geographic boundaries. It gives you live editing. It supports simultaneous contributions from team members at the same time. And it supports over 130 third-party app integrations. Some of the other things here is the template library. Now, the template library is also one of their vast features. If you're looking to access a pre-built template, they have over 4,000 of these, and it is constantly growing. If you have a look at the Miroverse and the community contributions, there are tons being created every single day. It supports UX design, product management, and marketing workflows. And using a template can actually reduce project setup time by 70%. It really, really does work. Having a look now at the AI features, they have content generation. So the Miro Assist generates content as well as ideas, workflows, images. You can do conversation summaries, and you can also use their smart recommendations. So it helps you to really get the best out of your presentations. It also has some integrated communication tools. You can do video conferencing, face-to-face. You can do real-time messaging, and then you can also use their screen sharing feature, which is absolutely fantastic. Having a look at one or two of their drawbacks, there is a performance challenge that we are looking at. Large boards can really slow your system performance if you don't have an amazing machine. Like me, I don't have an amazing machine, so larger boards are really laggy. One of the other things is it has a bit of a steep learning curve. If you are a new user, there's tons of features and there's tons of things to do, so it can be a little bit scary when you first using it. And then also they have limited offline access, so if you are looking to access it within areas where you have a bad internet connection, that will definitely hinder you. Notion is a versatile productivity tool designed for both teams as well as individuals. You can join the 20+ million users worldwide who rely on Notion for seamless workflow management. Let us see why. So first of all, they offer that real-time collaboration workspace. This is a centralized hub and it offers seamless teamwork. So it serves as a centralized hub for any of your notes, your tasks, your databases. You can experience real-time collaboration that keeps teams aligned as well as productive, and it integrates all of your essential tools for different project needs. You can customize this workspace as well for your unique way of working. The other thing is that it has flexible database systems. So if you're using tables, boards, calendars, galleries, all of these different databases, you can organize information with this flexible system. It offers unlimited views, including tables, borders, calendars, and a gallery, as I mentioned, and you can utilize filtering and sorting for powerful relational database management. This is amazing. Having a look now, also, they have templates. So they have over 500 pre-built templates that you can use, and it spreads across various industries. Also, you can quickly implement
your instant productivity for project management as well as personal planning, and you can tailor each template to meet specific team requirements. So it really offers you a ton of features here. It also, one or two limitations or challenges it has that we do need to discuss. The learning curve, pretty much with all of this type of software, you need to be careful, jumping in. And if you don't really have much experience, you got to be able to factor in that time period where you're going to have to learn how to use the software, especially if you're in a larger team. And then also larger workspaces, talking about larger teams, they may also experience slower performance. Of course, we need to consider these things before we just jump in and use this amazing software.
So there you go. You can see that both of these platforms have amazing features. They do, of course, have one or two drawbacks we need to take into consideration. However, the takeaway here really is to go ahead and use them and see what works for you specifically. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, and we will see you next time.